Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Any doubts? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, question
Yes.
number 56.
56. Okay. Yes, Jayant?
49.
49.
49th one. Okay, 49th one. Yes. 49, then 56, right? So I will solve first 49th one. Starting with the 49th. 49th is a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, that is equal to 2c by x minus c. Okay. Now solving these, direct LCM. So a into x minus b plus b into x minus a divided by x minus a into x minus b, that is equal to 2c by x minus c. Okay. Then multiply ax minus ab plus bx minus ab by x square minus ax minus bx plus ab, that is equal to 2c by x minus c. Okay, right? After this, cross multiply. So first numerator we have to multiply with x minus c. This is somewhat complicated, but yes, it was asked in this way. So this ab minus ab will become minus 2ab plus bx, that is equal to 2c by x minus c. So now multiply inside with both the terms, x and c both we have to multiply to ax minus 2ab plus bx. So ax square minus 2abx plus bx square. Now with c minus acx plus 2abc. What I have done? This is 2c into x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. So here it is 2abc minus bcx, that is equal to 2c into in bracket 2cx square minus 2acx minus 2bcx plus 2abc. So this is plus 2abc and this part plus 2abc cancelled. Now simplify everything. Take all the terms on LHS. First we will write all the square terms. Ax square plus bx square minus 2cx square. Now this term completed. This term we have taken this term and this term already done. Now the remaining terms. Minus 2abx minus acx minus bcx. Now these term we have to bring on the LHS side. So it is plus 2acx plus 2bcx is equal to 0. And now simplification, take x square common. So a plus b minus 2c x square minus. Now here minus 2abx, there is no pair, but minus acx and plus acx. So we have to subtract it. So minus 2abx will keep as it is. Minus acx and plus 2acx will become plus acx. Minus bcx plus 2bcx will become bcx is equal to 0. Take x common. So here it is ab minus 2c into x square minus in bracket 2ab, minus sign we have taken out, minus ac minus bc into x is equal to 0. We have to calculate the value of x. So from all of them we will take x common. Is this clear what I am doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then x is common in bracket now. First bracket, first part, a plus b minus 2c into x minus 2ab minus ac minus bc. So x already we have taken common, so it will be equal to 0. Now, so here it is. Now this value of x equated to 0, and now this full term is another factor which is equated to 0. So a plus b minus 2cx minus 2ab minus ac minus bc is equal to 0. Then full this term will go on RHS. So a plus b minus 2c into x is equal to, this is minus this side, so it will when it will go to RHS it will become positive. So plus 2ab, sorry, minus ac minus bc. So value of x is equal to 2ab minus ac minus bc divided by a plus b minus 2c. So this is the another factor. So this is 1, 0, and this is another root. We cannot simplify further. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Jan, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhat, yes, more simplification has to be done. But you will get answer in that complex form only. So much more simplification also not needed.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this we can even use formula, no, ma'am?
Which formula we can use?
Ma'am, that D is equals to B square minus 4AC, then X1.
But we didn't get this one, any trinomial. Trinomial we couldn't get anywhere. We got only in the form of x square minus 5x, like that question. That form we got it. We didn't get the trinomial. We got only in this form. Suppose it is x square minus ax form. So only in this form we got. So x into
Okay,
bracket we got x minus a. So x is equal to 0 and x minus a is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to a. This form only we got it. And this a is a huge number, means multiple of numbers, and x square is the also a number. That's ABC form, polynomial in terms of a, b and c. Are you writing or written completely? Anyone is writing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You're already done. Others?
Completed, ma'am.
Anyone is writing? Then otherwise I will move ahead. Please raise your hand if anyone is writing. Otherwise I will move. No one is writing. Okay. Then next question is 56th one, right? Yes or no? 56 or 57?
Ma'am, 56.
A square b square x square minus b square x minus a square x minus 1. This is normal factorization. So take b square common from the first two terms. B square x common. So it is a square x minus 1 minus 1 common. A square x minus.
Ma'am, it's
It's
plus
plus
b
plus.
square
This
x.
is plus plus. So it is plus 1. So it is plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a square x plus 1 into b square x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it's a square x plus 1 is equal to 0, or b square x minus 1 is equal to 0. So a square x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by a square. B square x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by b square. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Normal simplification. Any other doubts anyone has?
Ma'am, 48.
48th one. What happened in that? That is some normal simplification.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the answer.
X plus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 2 by x plus 2, that is equal to 4 minus 2x plus 3 by x minus 2. So now cross multiply first part. Directly I'm multiplying. I'm not doing that step of writing product. So x square plus 3x plus 2 plus x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 2, that is equal to 4x minus 8 minus 2x minus 3. Check this sign if you would have kept it positive. So 3x cancel, 2x square, plus 4. So if you would have kept it x minus 1 into x plus 2 get cancelled. So I will make it x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this is x minus 1 into x plus 2. That is equal to 2x minus 11 by x minus 2. So now here it is cannot be done. It cannot be done because it is x square, 2x square plus 2 you will get. So no use. So 2x square plus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 11, and the product of these two, x square minus x minus 2. So multiply 2x cube minus 4x square plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 2x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 11x square plus 11x plus 22. So 2x cube cancel. Minus 4x square plus 4x minus 8 is equal to minus 2x square minus 11 minus 13x square. Am I done right? Anything is there wrong? Okay, minus 4x plus 11x plus 7x plus 22. Now plus 13, every term will come on LHS. Minus 4 plus 13 is 9 plus 4, 13. 9x square. 4x minus 7x minus 3x minus 8 minus 22 minus 30 is equal to 0. Everything is divisible by 3. So it is 3x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. 6 tens are 3 tens are 30 minus 30, and difference is minus 1, that is 6 and 5. 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. 3x into bracket x minus 2 plus 5 into bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or minus 5 by 3. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I have done one mistake.
Ma'am, I got another answer. I didn't get the
Yeah,
same one.
no, I have done mistake. Here it is. It is plus x. That's what I'm thinking. Something I'm going wrong. Two x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 11x square minus 11x plus 22. Now here it is. So it is minus 9x square. This is minus 9x square minus 15. Now this is minus 15x plus 22. So here it will goes to 5x square. Then plus it is 19 plus 19x square minus 30. That was right. So here this is wrong. So you will get 5x square plus 19x minus 30. Whoever has solved, they got this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 5
Yes,
into
ma'am.
30, 150.
25.
5, 5, 6, 25, 6. 5x square plus 25x square minus 6x minus 30 is equal to 0. 5x into bracket x plus 5 minus 6 into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 and 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 or 6 by 5. It's clear now? One single sign row goes wrong, full answer goes wrong. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other? This question was asked for 4 mark.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on 59th question, I'm not able to get the second zero.
59th one. Okay, 1 second. 59th second zero, we have solved here itself. We have solved that question here only in the class. I have solved here itself. This one. Where you gone wrong? Check. What is the value of a and a you got?
2n minus 1 by 3.
Yeah, 2n minus 1 by 3. After that, I know that is here you have substituted to the reciprocal of it. Right? What you have done? Minus 1 by 3 is equated to which value?
Ma'am, I did 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3.
I told you this way that day. That day I told students, this mistake I told that day. In your batch only I told, no?
Yes, ma'am. You did.
Yes, ma'am.
And he has done. I know that is students, I don't know how they can do, but it is every batch students will do this. And every year one of the students will do this. Is it clear now? Now you will remember it. I think so. Everyone has get the lesson. Okay. Any other doubts? Anyone else? No doubts. Then we are moving ahead. In this chapter, there is a completing square method is there. The next exercise is on NCRT also. And in RD also, next exercise is on completing square method. But that is removed from the syllabus from last year. So I'm not teaching that one because it will take a lot of time. So we are leaving it. We are moving ahead to find the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots. Without solving equations completely till x, we will get to know if the roots of the equation are real or non-real. Non-real, that is imaginary. So without solving it, we can get the roots of the equations are real or non-real. And one more information we can get it, that is those roots, if they're real roots, so two roots, it is a quadratic equation, that means it has two roots. Those two roots are equal or not equal, rational or not rational, irrational number, that you will get to know whether you are going to get the rational roots or no, irrational roots, whether you are getting equal roots or unequal roots. If you will get that, you will get to know without completely solving that particular equation. So what is that condition? So that condition is finding the value of discriminant. Discriminant, that is value of d. Discriminant is given by the value d, and that is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac value, if we calculate, by knowing the value of this only, we will get to know if the roots are real or non-real, and if they are real, then whether they will be rational or irrational, and whether they are equal roots or unequal roots. So the value of d will tell us everything. So if d is greater than 0, that means d value is positive. That in that case, you will get the roots are real and both unequal roots. Real, distinct. Distinct means unequal. Both are two different roots. The roots are real and distinct, that is unequal roots. Now in this one, you will get, now we got to know they are real roots. So whether you will get the rational roots or irrational roots, that is also criteria is here itself. If the value of d is a perfect square, then the roots are rational. And if d is not perfect square, then the roots are irrational. Okay, it's clear this one? This criteria is clear. We have to
Yes,
calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. And now by seeing that, we can judge whether the roots are real or non-real, and whether they are equal, not equal, or rational, irrational numbers. So if the value of d is greater than 0, that means it is a positive number, then we will get to know that is now it is real roots. And if the roots are real, then the value of d is a perfect square. That means we will say that root is rational, roots are rational numbers. And if that value of a d you got as 70, 18, 21, 23, like that, that means those are non-perfect squares. So then that roots of that equation will be irrational. But if you get the value of d as 16, 25, 900, 841, 1225, so these are the perfect square numbers. So when you will get the d as a perfect square, that means the roots are rational numbers. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And if roots are exactly, d value is 0. When the d is 0, that means roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal roots. Both the roots will be equal to each other. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And if d is less than 0, that means d value is negative. So then the roots are imaginary, non-real. Roots are non-real, that is imaginary. It's clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down these.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, what do you mean by non-real? Like, is there any example?
Non-reals, that is square root of a negative number. It's a non-real.
Okay,
Square
ma'am.
root of negative numbers we cannot find out. So that means those are imaginary numbers. So those are non-real numbers. Those numbers do not exist.
Okay, ma'am.
Square root of minus 4. Is it possible?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any perfect square cannot be a minus 4. So that means square root of minus 4 is not possible. So those are completely imaginary. But maths works on that imaginary numbers also. Maths works on that imaginary numbers. So in 11th and 12th, you are learning those equations for those imaginary numbers also.
Done, ma'am.
The questions based on this are, if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, find the value of unknown variable. The question based on this are, roots of the following equations are real and equal. Roots of equation are real and equal. Find value of k. That is, find k. So first one is simple one. Kx square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation has been given, and they already told that is roots of these equations are real equal values. So when the roots are equal means we know
Ma'am, b
already.
square minus 4ac equals 0.
Yeah, d is equal to 0. So therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is the value of a, b, c? A is k, b is 4, and c is 1. So b square, that is 4 square minus 4 into k into 1 is equal to 0. So 16 minus 4k is equal to 0. 16 is equal to 4k. K is equal to 4. It's clear how to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
So write it down this part. So the next equation is somewhat more complex, but the method is same. It is here also it is given that is the roots are real and equal. So that means value of d is 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is the value of a?
1.
Is 1. B is equal to minus 2 into 5 plus 2k. Don't multiply with 2 inside. Leave that one. That will help us. And another one is 3 into 7 plus 10k. So substitute these values. Keep minus 2 outside. 5 plus 2k whole square minus 4 into 1 into c. C is 3 into 7 plus 10k. Now take the square. Minus 2 square is
4.
4.
4 into bracket the square of 5 plus 2k. That is 25 plus 20k plus 4k square minus 4 keep outside and multiply 3 inside. 21 plus 30k, that is equal to 0. Now Why I have kept it 4 now, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this 4
Yes,
and this
ma'am.
4 we can take common. So our calculation will become much easier. Then now open inside the bracket what is left out, 25 plus 20k plus 4k square. Now minus 21 minus 30k is equal to 0. And that 4, this 4 will go to RHS. 0 by 4 will be 0. So this is now 4k square. 20k minus 30k, that is minus 10k, plus 25 minus 21 plus 4 is equal to 0. It is all divided by 2, can be divisible by 2. So it is 2k square minus 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. Then product needed is, now factorize it. Now we have to factorize again here. So it is to get the value of k. So it is product needed is plus 4, 2 into 2 plus 4, and the sum needed is minus 5. So that is minus 4k minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. 2k into bracket k minus 2 minus 1 into bracket k minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is k minus 2 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 2 or k is equal to 1 by 2. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down this question. Have you finished this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then do the similar question. 3k plus 1 x square plus 2 into k plus 1 x plus k is equal to 0. Try this question. It also has equal roots. Yeah, get inside. Get in. It's not started yet.
Ma'am, k is equal to 1.
Two values of k you will get.
Okay, ma'am.
1 and 1 by 2. Two values are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
k is 1 and minus 1 by 2.
Yes, right. 1 and minus 1 by 2 is the right answer.
Ma'am, k is minus 1 by 2 and 1.
Yes, right. Minus 1 by 2 and 1, right? Okay, done. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are solving, you can leave now, and you are solving 8.6 exercise. First and second mean. 4.6 actually. Whatever the, this one, a PDF I sent you in that 8.6 exercise. First and second main you are finishing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.